In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by accessing Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and EMPORIA or Gboard. Let's start with EMPORIA Keyboard. As you can see, all typing options are available right away. If you are using Gboard though, you need to tap on Text Correction. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!